Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Cosecant of x to the power of 6. We can put cosecant of x to the power of 4 and cosecant of x squared. This one we can put like this because number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. Now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we have cosine x squared plus number 1. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative cosecant of x squared dx. Because we don't have the negative side in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. Cosecant of x dx we change for negative du. Now we need to expand this one. So u to the power of 6 multiplied by this one, and this one. And now we have the formula in here. So I will put number 10 going here. So 10 plus 1 we have 11. Now we can do similar for the next one. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.